The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the wait is finally over. After months of speculation, leaks, and insider reports, we now have confirmation on the official release date of DJI's latest and most advanced drone. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to launch on April 20th, and with it comes a host of cutting-edge features, significant design improvements, and enhanced performance that will make it one of the most exciting releases in the drone market. DJI Mavic 4 Pro release date and launch details. DJI is set to unveil the Mavic 4 Pro officially on April 20th, 2024, according to a report from Drone XL. Leaked images and renders have given us a first look at the drone, showcasing its innovative design and advanced specifications. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be a game-changer in aerial cinematography, featuring a range of high-tech upgrades that make it an indispensable tool for both professionals and drone enthusiasts. Design and structural enhancements. One of the most striking changes in the Mavic 4 Pro is its newly designed aerodynamic propeller system. The new quick-release disc on top not only improves airflow efficiency, but also protects the motors from dust, debris, and rain. DJI has also introduced new rubber bumpers on all four arms, enhancing durability and stability. Additionally, a small rubber foot at the center of the drone has been added to improve landing safety, preventing potential damage from hard landings. Another critical upgrade is the introduction of a lightweight LiDAR, light detection and ranging sensor, which enhances obstacle detection and precision measurement. Located on the right arm, the LiDAR sensor is similar to the one found in the DJI Air 3S. This feature significantly improves nighttime and low-light flying capabilities, making it easier to navigate in challenging environments without the risk of collision. This is particularly valuable for professionals who require precise, high-quality aerial footage. Enhanced camera system. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature a Hasselblad-branded triple camera system, making it a powerhouse for aerial cinematography. Here's what you can expect from its camera setup. For 3 CMOS sensor. Equipped with electronic ND filters, this sensor delivers superior image quality, improved dynamic range, and enhanced low-light performance. Medium telephoto lens, 50mm equivalent. Ideal for capturing stunning mid-range shots with excellent detail. Long telephoto lens, 160mm equivalent. Offers extreme zoom capabilities without sacrificing image clarity, perfect for high-altitude and landscape photography. For filmmakers and drone enthusiasts looking for top-tier aerial photography capabilities, this camera system provides unprecedented creative flexibility, allowing users to capture cinematic shots with varying perspectives and focal lengths. Improved flight time and battery performance. Battery life is always a crucial factor for drone users, and the Mavic 4 Pro brings major improvements in this area. According to Drone XL, the new drone will boast an impressive 50-minute flight time without the intelligent flight battery. This extended flight duration means users can capture more footage on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent battery swaps. For professionals working on extended shoots, this increased battery life is a game changer. Intelligent obstacle detection and AI-powered tracking. The Mavic 4 Pro is designed to offer enhanced safety and smart flying features with its improved obstacle detection system. The advanced LiDAR sensor and omnidirectional dual vision sensors allow the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. Additionally, AI-powered tracking capabilities ensure that the drone can follow subjects smoothly, making it ideal for action shots, cinematic sequences, and solo filmmaking. Pricing and availability. Given its state-of-the-art features and professional-grade specifications, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with a premium price tag. Industry insiders estimate that the drone will be priced around $2,800, reflecting the value of its advanced technology, including the triple camera system, aerodynamic enhancements, extended battery life, and intelligent AI tracking. Additional variants and special editions. What makes this launch even more exciting is that DJI is not just introducing one drone, but rather an entire Mavic 4 series lineup, including multiple variants tailored for different users. Additionally, a special cinematic aerial (CA) version is rumored to be in the works, specifically designed for professional filmmakers who demand the highest quality aerial footage. DJI Mini 5 Pro, another exciting leak. While the Mavic 4 Pro dominates the headlines, another exciting leak has surfaced about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. According to new reports, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with a 1-inch camera sensor, a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. If this leak is accurate, it would provide superior low-light performance, enhanced dynamic range,